Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2008 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to remove and replace the factory radio. This video applies to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. First thing you want to do is pop out this plastic trim that's surrounding the radio. Now this is best done using a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can use a flat screwdriver or something like this. Just make sure you put some kind of a protection over it so you don't scratch this plastic piece and the dashboard. Okay, so the best is to start from the bottom probably. Just pry this in and pop it out. Then do the same thing on the other side as well, like this, and then just gently pull it out all the way around. Okay, just like this. Okay, now most likely you will not have to disconnect any of these bottom wires, just the one here on the top. Just be careful, this is actually the airbag wire. So before doing this work, make sure to disconnect the battery. If you don't, what might happen when you connect back everything up, you might get airbag light on and then you'll have to reset it with a scanner. If you don't have one, you might have to take it to a Ford dealer. So make sure to disconnect the battery, and after the battery is disconnected, then disconnect this airbag wire. So I'll try to record this. So to disconnect the airbag, there is actually like a small clip right here on top of it. You want to push on it and then pull the wire out. Okay, just like this. And once you do that, like I said, you can just leave this hanging and you will not have to touch any of these wires for the AC controls. Okay, next thing to do is to remove 4 7mm screws. So there is one here, and 2 on the other side, here and here. Okay, so these are the screws. So like I said, 4 of them. And once you have them out, you can pretty much just pull the radio unit out as well. Okay, so to disconnect the radio, there is a couple of plugs in the back and the radio antenna. This is the radio antenna on the far right. So to disconnect it, you just want to pull it straight out. Okay, this is how it looks, and you have 2 plugs. To disconnect those, you have 2 clips here on the top. So push onto the clip and pull this wire straight out, and you're gonna do the same thing on this one as well. Okay, and this is how you remove the radio unit on a 2008 Ford F-150. Okay, what I will also mention, if you are replacing this radio unit with a different used factory stereo unit, make sure to get the radio code as well. It's usually found on a small card size of a business card, in the glove box or in the owner's manual, in the donor vehicle. If you don't have the code, most likely when you connect your new radio to this car, it's not gonna work. It's gonna ask you for a 4-digit code. Other option to get the code is to write down the serial number of the new radio you're getting and the serial number of the donor vehicle, and then you can call the Ford dealership and they will give you the code, but they will charge you between $50 and $100. So if you're getting one from the salvage or wreckers or from a private seller, always ask and look for the code. If you're replacing this radio with aftermarket radio, which you are most likely doing, make sure to get the proper wiring harness for the new radio, so that wiring harness is gonna connect to these existing wires and into the back of your new radio. And make sure to get the right radio kit that's gonna fit nicely inside here, so everything looks good and professional. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.